there, kiddos! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the coolest place for learning and laughter. Today, we have a special guest with us. Get ready to meet someone fruity and fabulous. It's Papaya.
Hello, little learners. I'm Papaya, your new fruity friend.
Papaya, can you tell our friends a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. I'm Papaya, the tropical sensation. I come from sunny places with lots of warmth and love. You can recognize me by my vibrant orange color and sweet aroma.
Papaya, do you have any hidden talents?
Well, I do have a special talent. It's called the papaya rap.
Papaya, not only are you fun, but you're also super healthy. Can you tell our friends about your amazing benefits?
Oh, absolutely. I'm packed with vitamins and nutrients, great for your tummy and overall well-being. I'm like a little health superhero.
Papaya, before we go, do you have a funny fact you'd like to share with our friends?
Sure thing. Did you know that I have more vitamin C than an orange? Move over, oranges. Papaya's in town.
Well, there you have it, kiddos. Papaya, our hilarious and healthy friend. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun and learning on my YouTube channel.
Goodbye, friends. Stay fruity and fabulous.